The simple past tense, part 1. The learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to form the simple past tense appropriately, recognize the use of the simple past tense, identify the spelling rules of the final D or AD. Listen carefully to the following short conversations and pay attention to the verb form in the simple past tense. This morning, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I went to school by bus. I had a lovely time with my classmates. I finished school and went home. The simple past tense, regular verbs, affirmative statements. Use the base form of the verb plus D or ED, for example, played, with all personal pronouns I, you, we, they, he, she, or it, or with the singular or plural form of nouns. Examples. I started work at 8 o'clock. You invited us to your birthday party. We studied hard. They missed their flight to London. He finished work at 5 o'clock. She played tennis yesterday. It rained last night. Notice that we form the simple past tense by adding ed to the base form. The simple past tense, irregular verbs, affirmative statements. Many common verbs have irregular past form. Their past tense is not formed by adding D or ED. The following extract shows some irregular past form. This is the simple form, this is the simple past, and this is the past participle. So the second column includes the simple past form. The simple past form for the verb begin is began, come, came, give, gave, see, saw, etc. The simple past tense, irregular verbs, affirmative statements. Examples. I sent the emails an hour ago. You went to London last year. We did our homework yesterday. They bought a new house 2 weeks ago. He got sick this morning. She was very happy. It became very cold last night. So all these verbs are irregular verbs. The simple past tense, negative statements. Listen carefully to the following short conversations and pay attention to the negative form of the simple past tense. I didn't catch the school bus, so I walked to school. I didn't study last night, so I got 0 in the test. The simple past tense, negative statements and contractions. Use did not or didn't plus base form of the verb with all personal pronouns I, you, we, they, he, she, or it, or with a singular or plural form of nouns. Examples. I did not go to school. Contracted form, I didn't go to school. You did not play football. You didn't play football. We did not study hard. We didn't study hard. They did not arrive on time. They didn't arrive on time. He did not do his homework. He didn't do his homework. She did not see us. She didn't see us. It did not rain last night. It didn't rain last night. Be careful. Use the base form with did not or didn't. So after the negative word, use the base form.